Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ending a credit card promo before the rate jumps. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, review the terms of your credit card promo offer. Locate the expiration date of your promotional rate. Check how long you have until the rate increase takes effect. Contact your credit card issuer to confirm your promotion details. Ask about the specific steps required to end the promo early, if needed. Log into your online credit card account. Navigate to the rewards or promotions section of your account. Look for options related to managing your promotional rates. Next, identify if there is an option to opt out of the promo. If there is no opt-out option, prepare to discuss this with customer service. Gather documentation or evidence of the promo offer, including any promotional materials. After reviewing your account, call customer service using the number on the back of your card. Politely explain your desire to end the promotional offer before it expires. Have your account information ready for verification. Listen carefully to the representative's instructions. Follow their guidance on how to proceed with ending the promo. Inquire about any potential fees associated with ending the promo early. Ensure you understand how this will affect your interest rate moving forward. Confirm that changes are processed by asking for confirmation in writing. Once you receive confirmation, monitor your account to verify the promo has been removed. Keep track of your new interest rate and ensure it aligns with what was communicated. If you experience issues, follow up with customer service for clarification. Document all interactions with the credit card company for your records. This will help you address any discrepancies in the future. Always keep an eye on upcoming billing statements until the changes take effect. By taking these steps, you can effectively manage your credit card promo before the rate increase occurs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.